I've always been fascinated with how human bodies work and how we can trick our bodies to take in these foreign substances. My name is Aziza Sattarova, and I'm a class of 2024. It's very interesting the way that we can manipulate depending on, what kind of dosages we play around with, at what point, drugs become less effective and more so toxic. And Northeastern brings it on a very serious note when you study pharmaceutical sciences. I enjoyed academic curriculum, and Northeastern offers you this opportunity not only to take the classes from these professors and faculty members, but also to learn from them, to ask questions, and if possible, join their research project. And many other factors. You get to have this hands-on experience a lot as an undergraduate. So at the end of the day, once you're about to get employed or applying for an internship, you already have the set of skills that are required and you can start your job right away. I noticed that Northeastern was the only university in Boston area to offer students a particular period of time that's dedicated for co-op. I didn't have to take classes while I was working. It definitely takes a lot of your concentration and focus, which affects the quality of your work. It affects quality of your life. And Northeastern made it so easy. They designate you a co-op advisor that particularly talks to you and has tailored plan specifically to your co-op and your needs. And it made the whole experience so much easier, so much more relaxed. I would say don't think after joining right now, because that's, as far as I know, is the only university that's capable to offer you not only an experience where you get to talk and meet people, not just study and read materials, but also it offers you a wide variety of skills and mechanic that you can study on and participate in real life research. You can get your name out there on a paper. You can get famous overnight if you can find good results and do research.